हरिः कर्ता।
Now it's time to explore arrays. So to explore array and to work with arrays, we need to import NumPy first. So as a community follows a standard, so we will be importing NumPy as NP. So that NP is the alias we are going to use it for NumPy. So let me come here and I'm gonna save it and close it and get back to the Jupyter notebook dashboard, and then I'm gonna create new notebook editor. So this is arrays introduction. So first let me import numpy as np and click enter. Absolutely fine, no issue at all. So NumPy has been imported as NP without any issue. So now let's NP, and here are different methods which are available for the NP. So NP argvar, bitwise, byte, cast, char, clip, cross, date, time, dsplit, emat. So huge amount of methods it consists of. It's a huge library. It's a huge library. You see that? Lot is there. Anyway, we have successfully imported NumPy. So, but before we start working on NumPy arrays, so what we should know is what's the difference between the NumPy and the list. So what's the difference between the NumPy and then list?